This is an application used to manage the entire activities in a dental clinic. This application is developed in a framework of coordinator with a basic language of PHP on a backend of MySQL. First we are going to login page. Here three types of accounts are included: admin, doctor and accountant. These three types of person can log in separately and manage their account. Firstly, we are going to have a look on the type of details managed by the admin in a clinic. First enter the username, then password. After login, you can see the admin dashboard. Here you can see several options to manage the activities in a clinic, which are arranged into different modules. They are department, doctor, patient, manage report, accountant, monitor, clinic. Also on the center of the dashboard you can see a calendar which is provided to help you to schedule events in three ways. It can be scheduled according to month, according to week or according to the day, and the scheduled event will be displayed on the calendar. On the top of the dashboard you also provided with the facility to see the count of doctor available and patient present in the clinic. Next option is manage report. Here we manage the details of the activities done on a particular day, name of the doctor who handled the operation, name of the patient, payment and amount details, and there is an option for edit and delete. Then add and search option are included here. Next option is manage accountant. Here we manage the details of accountant like accountant name, their email, address, phone and option for edit and delete. The next option is monitor clinic, which have three sub options: view appointment, view payment, view medicine. In first view appointment option, we can manage the details of appointment, the time of appointment, doctor and patient. Search can be done based on any one of these fields. In view payment option, we can manage the details of payment like time of payment, amount, payment type, transaction, invoice, patient, method and option to edit and delete. Here we have print option so that we can take the printout of the fee receipt. Next we are going to the option view medicine. Here we manage the details of medicine like medicine name, its category, description, price and manufacturing company. First we are going to department option. In this option we have included the whole details of department in the clinic and its description so that we will get a clear idea about this department. There is an option provided on the right side for edit and delete, and on the top there is an option to add newly department into the department list. Next option is doctor. In this option we will get a detailed idea Next option is doctor. Here we will get a clear idea about the list of doctors in the clinic and their department details. Add option is provided so that we can include the new doctor detail into the list when needed. After that will be displayed on the doctor list. Here also we have an option to edit and delete the details, and search option is also included. Suppose we are going to search about any doctor. Please enter the doctor name into the search field. After that we will get the appropriate detail about that doctor in the field. Next we are going to patient option. Here we can see the whole details of a patient like patient name, age, sex, blood group, birth date, option for edit and delete. Also add option is provided so that new patient detail can be entered, and then search option is provided here also. Secondly, we are going to have a look on the details managed by a doctor in a clinic. For that, we give the appropriate username and password. After login, you can see the doctor dashboard. Here you can see the several options to manage the activities in a clinic by a doctor, which are separated by different modules. They are patient, manage appointment, manage prescription, invoice and take payment, view payment, manage report. First we are going to the first option, patient. In this option we have include the whole details of the patient, like patient name, age, blood group, birth date, option for edit and delete. Also a new option is included, history. Through this option we can view the prescription history of a patient, so that doctor will get a clear idea about the history, so that it will helps to manage the details of a patient. Also add patient option is there, so that new patient details can be added. Next is manage appointment. Through manage appointment option we can manage the whole appointment details in a clinic. We can include the details of date, patient and doctor. Then there is an option to edit and delete. Also there is an option included to print the appointment list. Next is manage prescription. Next is manage prescription option. Here we can manage the details of prescription like date, patient, doctor and option for edit and delete. Add prescription option is there. Here we include the details like doctor, patient, case history, medication, description and date. Next is invoice or take payment option. Here we manage the details of invoice ID, title, amount, patient, date and status, where it can be paid or unpaid. If it is unpaid means we have an option to take cash payment. Also option is there to edit and delete. Then through add invoice we can add new invoice details. Next is invoice or take payment option. Here we manage the details of invoice like invoice ID, title, amount, patient, date and status that can be paid or unpaid. If unpaid means we have an option to take the cash payment. Also there is an option to edit and delete. Through add invoice we can add new invoice details. Next is view payment option. Here we manage the details like time, amount, payment, transaction ID, invoice ID, patient and method. Next is manage report option. Here we manage the details of report and new report can be added through new add report option. For that we include the details like type, description, date, doctor and patient. Finally, we are going to have a look on the details managed by the accountant in a clinic. First, enter the username and appropriate password. Then login. After login, you can see the accountant dashboard. Here you can see several options to manage the activities in a clinic by an accountant, which are arranged into different modules. The modules are manage prescription, manage appointment, invoice or take payment and view payment.